Hey everyone, Yan here from Wheelchair Every Day. Today, I'm going to show you how I sharpen the blades on my Toro zero-turn mower. You wouldn't believe how much I can get done in a wheelchair, and this is one of those things people think is impossible. So, let's get started. First, I need to gather up all the tools from my shed to do the job. There's a bit of footage here where I'm getting everything ready. It's important to have all the right tools on hand before getting started. In this part, you'll see me transfer from my wheelchair onto a garage floor creeper. It's much easier for me to work on the mower this way, getting right under the mower without needing to strain. Now, instead of jacking up the zero turn to access the blades, I prefer to remove the mower deck. It's a lot easier, and it's only held in place by the belt and 3 cotter pins. Once the deck is off, I can also clean the inside at the same time, killing 2 birds with 1 stone. For sharpening, I'm using an angle grinder with an 80 grit flap disc. This gives me a nice, sharp edge and makes the whole process quicker. Remember to always take your time and stay safe while working with power tools. So, unfortunately, my camera ran out of battery near the end, and I missed the footage where I reattached the blades and put the mower deck back on. It's a pretty straightforward process, though, just the reverse of taking it off. Hopefully, you got the gist of everything, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.